I think I'm lost. So I'm in the general area. I know I'm going to an airport. I saw an airplane landing. So I know I'm close, but the address that they put down on Gov Deals, I guess I should have looked into it a little bit more, but the address is like an old folks nursing home, and this is supposed to be a like airport maintenance shop. So I don't think they have a whole bunch of the older, I don't think they have a bunch of senior citizens repairing equipment. If they do, then there's something going on here. I don't know. No, there's the airport right there. See? I'm here, but I'm not here. I think that's an airport. It sure looks like it. Oh man. Okay, so I'm on the backside of the runways, backside of the airport. I'm kind of confused. Let me show you, Colton.
Hold this up for you.
You like that bracket?
So pretty.
I didn't make it.
Well, yeah, the welds are nice.
I drilled the holes. The screws are at the house, but I'll go back and get them here.
Oh, look at that, it even fits.
Hold on, let's see.
That'll work.
So explain what's going to happen here.
What do you mean?
Explain to the camera. Be Bob Vila.
I'm not Bob Vila. I can pretend to be Norm Abram if you want, but I'm not going to be Bob Vila. Those of you who know, you know.
Nobody knows.
Well, people know. No one likes Bob Vila.
Nobody likes Bob Vila?
No, because he knows nothing about carpentry. He was paid to be on camera and was told what to say. He's even admitted it.
Really?
You gotta research these things, dude. Yeah.
Have you watched any of the YouTube videos yet?
No. So I'm sure you're gonna edit me to look like an idiot, but I do that pretty well on my own, so I don't really care. I have no one to impress anymore. I'm married with 2 kids, so I'm done.
I'm just gonna cut and edit to where you're saying you look like an idiot.
I know. That's fine.
All right, so
okay.
We need
it's gonna be like this. And this is gonna be this. I can't grab this beam's stout. I can't even grab.
Very stout. So
There.
this is called a structural hanger.
It's gonna be something.
You can purchase this nowhere. It's custom sized for a 6x8 beam.
$79.99 a piece.
Yeah, I'll make these all day long for 80 bucks a pop. It's about 2 cents worth of materials and $0 worth of labor because I asked somebody to help me do it that owed me a favor. Man, we got to do some burning, but I don't want to start burning because lumber prices are crazy.
I know, but some of that stuff, I mean, what are you going to do?
Obviously garbage.
You've got enough stacking that stump. I don't want to burn it. I don't want a massive roaring bonfire back
we
here.
We could pull a little bit off and light a fire.
Yeah, we need to do something. This is getting kind of...
When we're up here next week, let's let things dry out a little bit. Maybe we shouldn't let things dry out.
I say, you want to do it when it's wet.
Yeah.
The problem is, though, what's in the pile is also wet. So it's just going to smoke like crazy. I mean, I don't care, but the neighbors might. The question is, how much do we like our neighbors? Or your neighbors? I don't even live here, so why do I care?
So Shed House is doing pretty good. So let's come on in here.
How do I look? Camera. Hi YouTube. How's YouTube doing today? Okay, so on the agenda, I think first thing we're going to try to knock out is get the car lift unloaded. Right, Colton? Car lift has to get out of my truck, and then the next thing we're going to do is focus on that beam right there. Let's get it on camera. So, Colton worked diligently on...
I wouldn't say diligently. I wouldn't go that far.
Colton worked diligently on cutting all of those 2x4s off right there evenly. Right, Colton?
Evenish.
Evenly. So we can slip a beam up in there. And it had the bracket made that's going to tie into that area right there. So we're going to tie a beam in on a bracket, hang a beam all the way over to this side here to hold up that floating section of ceiling.
You're more than holding that up than I thought. I don't know what.
Way up in there. It's 1x6. I bet you that's pinched in. You're having way too much fun with this. You know that, right?
I know. You need something bad for having fun.
Well, your ladder is going to get kicked out when that thing falls.
No, it's not.
Colton's a strong man. All right, so we're getting ready to hang the header. Somebody cut these out at one point in time, made a little opened walkway, and we're about to put this beam right here. We're about to put this beam up there, and it's gonna be a little difficult because obviously that's heavy, but I think we'll do it. We'll be fine. We'll be fine, Colton.
Well, not right.
Right? Oh, you a wussy man.
I'm more worried about the ladder. What's the rating on this ladder?
Not this.
Okay, I'm in. Please don't drop that on my head. I would much appreciate it.
Don't hurry up and get off. Grab me a, yeah, Jack.
Oh, fuck. Coming out?
You're good. No, you're good.
Is it gonna be too snug?
No, it'll go.
I promise I'm not gonna hit you.
I know. It'll go.
Want a hammer?
Yeah. Or just he-man the shit out of it. He. Just hammer it up. There. There.
Is that it?
I mean, it's friction locked in there. At this point, it's like full.
And make this still on? Maybe.
It's kind of like building a barn, right?
Pretty much. Cool, I'm glad that's up there. What? It's hard work then.
Man, I worked pretty hard too. I had to like hold that thing.
Yeah, you had to hold it. Yeah, no, I'm using a 100-pound piece of timber as a hammer.
I think Colton's been drinking a little too much. That's the problem.
You're not wrong. I don't have any room to argue that.
All right.
Is this all the way up?
I mean, from down here, it looks like it's all the way up. Yes.
Split. Yeah, I see it split.
It's fine. Oh boy, it popped out a little tiny chunk. You put like an 8x something in there.
It's all we had.
I know, it's like way overbuilt. Totally fine.
See, like on this one, when I did this, I put this 2x across the bottom of the 2x4s.
Yeah.
To level the surface.
Mm-hmm.
But here there wasn't room.
Okay.
So I had to get into this and take that out.
Way
that would
higher, yeah,
turn into a lot more. It'd been a pain in the ass.
No, you did fine.
Well, and as luck would have it, this beam is 8 1/8 tall. Where this lands is like 8 1/4.
Okay.
So it's like freaking perfect.
Yeah.
It's like, so just run on top of that and it's good enough.
Sweet.
This end just, yeah, it's off somewhere. Who cares? It's good enough.
No, it's totally
Structural
fine.
engineer on YouTube, some keyboard engineers gonna have a fit with that.
You got to build to what's. You have to build to what's here, right?
Level if the house isn't level. That count right? I did! Actually, no, I did, so I had one extra.
Math
I
class.
accommodated for dropping one. Look at me. I'm surprised you actually painted this. You're going all out.
I primed it.
You painted this and everything.
I primed it. I was going to paint it, but I decided the primer's good enough.